Would it be like what it is? What's going on today, your faith family? How y'all doing? I'm doing great today. I'm just a little tired because I got up so early this morning. Yes. I got my famous meatballs. I got my mixed vegetables. And I got me some homemade mashed potatoes. I don't know if y'all can see it. I got that light, so bright, so tight, so right. This is delicious. I hope y'all had a wonderful day today. My day went great. Went out to breakfast. Today, a place called Round the Clock. Round the Clock. Telling you, these carrots is good. Look at Oh boy. Oh boy, I tell you. This is really good. It's really good in the hood. I'm telling y'all, yesterday when I went to Rosati's, the pizza, that bacon, that pork tore my head up. I mean, I had a headache from last night all the way until today. My sister can't eat no pork. I got to lay off for that. Because that stuff sends my blood pressure up. Here it is. I got some Coca-Cola with the cherry. I don't know how it's going to make me burp. I'm finna find out though. I gotta catch my breath. Y'all know that acid is something else. That was a small burp. Ooh, Lord have mercy. This is really, really good. I remember my grandmother, I don't know why I wasn't thinking. She used to say, when you have a headache, take a teaspoon of mustard. And I don't know why that didn't come to me. My girlfriend gave me 2 bad aspirin. The children was. It went away. I'm sitting there, ordered them pork sausages. As soon as I got through eating them, it shot straight up. So I said, you know what? I can't mess with that pork. My butt got so fat. I got to lose about 50 pounds. I must lose 50 pounds. About me cooking all the time and where I cook, it ain't going nowhere. I be trying it just hard. Ooh, I remember when I was fine and sexy. When I had lost all that weight, ooh, I thought I was Serena Williams. You couldn't tell me nothing. I put that dress on, it was hugging. Ooh, these hips. Stomach was flat. I was going to the health club every day. In the morning. 6 in the morning. I'd be in there, do 45 minutes on that treadmill. And then I get on the elliptical. My sister was in. And then I was in that spin cycle class. But the first week, I was fucked up. That first week, I had to go to the hospital. Because I'm telling you, these bones locked up. Them nerve, everything. It's just locked up. Doctor was like, what's wrong with you? I said, I can't move. I could barely walk up the stairs. Kids was laughing their ass off. But after that first week, once you get that first week in, it's all over then. I was in there getting it in. Give me some good burps. There's good burps. Y'all got some good burps there. Boy. Yes, so I said, you know what? I got to get my butt back in that gym. And I want no pork. And hardly no beef. I'm telling y'all. Sister girl had got this weight down. I said, I just got to get motivated again to do the same thing that I did back then. And I would get up and I would walk at least about 3 miles. If I ain't go to the health club, our sister was walking. But sometimes when you got that motivation and that push, person telling you going to get your ass up. And they want to see you look good and feel good about yourself, it will motivate you. And it does help. That motivation helps. I was noticing today a lot of the YouTubers, when they started getting up there, they really started getting attacked. But then they main supporters who support them, they come out of the woodworks. They be knocking them down. The ones that's not supporting them, leaving more bad comments. I was reading Prissy P's comments. And the way some of them people talk, it's like, my God. But one thing, you gotta love your haters. Because without them haters, it's the only way you know you're doing something right. When people start hating on you, you know you're doing something right. Because haters, people who hate on you, that means that they're not happy with themselves. Because you're supposed to spread the love. And when you spread the love and don't get no hate comments toward people, God blesses you. When you be happy for others, even when you're down, and you be happy for others, God blesses you. He sees everything. He sees it all. And people sometimes wonder why they're in a situation they're in. That's because you hating on something you shouldn't even be hating on. Just like Beloved Life. The girl is bad. The girl is up there. And they really hating. And there's a couple other people that they hate on. But I'll be glad to see our sisters and brothers progress. Because we only live one life here. And here on this earth, you have to enjoy your life. You have to. You gotta enjoy your life. You can't sit and wallow in your mess. You gotta get up and do something about it. Make it happen. And when you got a goal and you going towards your goal, you get so happy when you see it progressing. And you making something happen out of nothing. Just imagine that. What feeling that is. And you seeing yourself grow. And people loving you. That is the most best feeling in the world. And then you're able to give back. Because you have to give back. You have to. Life ain't promised to us, so we can't take everything with us. And just think about it. When it's all said and done, all you got left here is your memories. So if you do great things, people will always have great things to say about you. You know, you're going to have your haters. You're going to have that. Most majority of them will always have something good to say about you. That's the way I look at things. I don't know. Some people tell you, you shouldn't be giving, you shouldn't be doing this, you shouldn't be doing that. But that's how those people are. But in my lifetime, what I done seen, when people give unselfishly and don't look for nothing in return, God always take care of them. When people give and they looking for some recognition, or they doing things to just be doing and say, I did that for you, I did this, their heart's not right. Because when they do, they just do. They don't look for nothing in return. Ooh. That's a doozy. Y'all know I had to give my burp lovers what they asked for. I love them too. I don't know about them farts, because sister girl be clogged there. Don't happen that often like that. Sorry about that. Sometimes it all depends on what you eat and how it come out. But everybody just don't have that privilege like that. Some people got to take something in order to go do number 2. I had a woman that I work with, and she said her bowels was just locked. I said, how in the hell? You don't let her know? She said, girl, I may poo-poo maybe once or twice out in a month. I said, that ain't good. All that shit is backed up in. She was a little bitty thing, too. I said, that ain't good. Because you got to let it out. I feel something down up in there. Whew. It be stuck sometimes. You know, it be stuck in the chest. Yeah, but family, I hope that y'all evening is going well. I hope everything is going fine for Christmas. Y'all getting all them Christmas gifts together, and the dinner that you gonna cook, and the ugly sweater gatherings is coming together, and the family gatherings. You know, this is the best time of the year, because everybody's supposed to be loving. No matter if you get a pair of shoes, you're supposed to be happy. If you get a pair of socks, it's the thought that counts. It's not how much a person spends on you, it's how much the person thought about you. That's what Christmas is all about caring and sharing and just enjoying one another. Yes, it is. People get sick. Oh, I didn't get this for Christmas. Or how come you didn't get this? Be grateful for what you get. And be thankful. Because there's so many people out here who are just unfortunate to even have a meal every day on their table. We are very fortunate. We are very blessed here in the United States. We have so much free stuff where we can go and get. So, I'm just leaving y'all with that little bit of thought today. And hug your loved ones and tell them how much you love them. Because tomorrow is not promised to us. And make sure you make that where you do it every day, if possible. I love y'all. That's why I tell y'all I love y'all every day. Every time that I'm on this camera. Because I mean it. Because y'all can look back. And for some odd reason I'm not here anymore, and look at me and see me all the time. And I just love y'all. And if you have not subscribed, please become a part of my family. If you haven't gave a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking, what it is, what it do. And y'all know y'all gonna be seeing me later. Love y'all.